Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make awesome carbonara pasta at home. It's a super yummy Italian dish that's easy to make. Let's do this. First, we need some good stuff. You'll need spaghetti, about a cup. Some bacon or pancetta, about half a cup. 2 big eggs, some pecorino romano cheese, like half a cup grated, and some freshly ground black pepper. Easy peasy, right? Okay, let's cook. Get a big pot, fill it with water, add some salt, and make it boil. While we wait, cut the bacon into little strips. Put a pan on the stove at medium heat and cook the bacon until it's crispy. Then, take the pan off the heat. Now for the eggs. Crack them into a bowl and add the grated cheese. Mix it all up until it's smooth and creamy. This is gonna be our yummy sauce. When the water is bubbling, add the spaghetti and cook it until it's al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes. Save some of the pasta water, then drain the spaghetti and put it in the pan with the bacon. Mix it all up. Slowly pour the egg and cheese mix over the pasta and keep stirring. The hot pasta will cook the eggs and make a creamy sauce. If it's too thick, add a little pasta water. Last step, add some black pepper. And that's it. Perfect carbonara. Eat it right away. Buon appetito. If you like this, hit the like button and subscribe for more yummy recipes. See you later. Ciao a tutti.